Hey again guys, what's up? It's me Mel and welcome back to my channel for another video. Today we're gonna do the unboxing of some items I bought from Shopee and Lazada. So it's another Lazada and Shopee haul. If you like videos like this, keep on watching. Let's go ahead and start the unboxing. By the way, I did this haul. Nagkaroon ng Lazada and Shopee 11/11 sale. And so, syempre mga 1 week bago nakarating lahat yung iba. Inintay ko pa. So, kaya ngayon lang tayo mag-unbox. And eto sila. Here. Got this. Got this. So, merong 4 na packages tayong bubuksan today. Without further ado, let's start. Siguro ito muna. So, this one, I bought this from Shopee. I'll put the link of the seller down the description box. And these are makeups from FOCALLURE. So, if I'm not mistaken, yung mga items like lipsticks na nabili ko was just around 49 pesos. So, bumili ako I think ng 3 and then isang eyeshadow. So, tingnan natin yung laman. So, ito siya guys. Wow, super ganda ng pack. Super secured ng pagkakapack niya. So, you're really sure na hindi madadamage yung product, hindi mapuputol, hindi mababasag. Ang lalaki na ng bubble wrap nila, guys. So, good job sa seller na to. So, madali rin siyang buksan. Ayan na siya. Oh, galing mo. Galing. Okay, so, let's see. So, I've got 3 lipsticks. Iba-iba siyang shade. Okay. So this is from FOCALLURE and an eyeshadow kasi wala pa akong eyeshadow eh. So, bumili ako nito. Then, dinamay ko na lang yung mga lipstick. So, yung lipstick shades are number 14, Instigator, number 16, Del Rio, and number 15, D for Danger. Cute na mga pangalan.
So, it's a matte lip crayon. It says it's highly pigmented lipstick that glides smoothly. Okay, so merong ingredients sa box. It is cruelty-free. Ayan siya. Not sure if you can see. So, buksan natin.
Okay guys, I have unwrapped and I have removed the lip crayons from the box. I have swatched each of these lip crayons. This is in order 16, 15, and 14. So, ito yung swatches. Lahat sila gusto ko guys. And then we've got this eyeshadow. It is cruelty-free and paraben-free. And there are 9 eyeshadow colors. Okay, so let's try and open this. Wow, okay. I like the packaging too. It's just black, plain black. And this one too, it's just plain black. So elegant. Oh my gosh, ito siya. I-swatch din natin. Wala nga lang siyang applicator guys. That's the only thing with this. I'll put the prices down the description box. Okay, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 yung shimmery and then there are 5 matte colors. colors. Pasensya na, baguhan lang. Ganda ng mga kulay. Ang ganda. Okay, let's move on. So, eto guys yung medyo mahal, pero I think reasonable naman. Parang mura na din kasi MAC to guys. So, this costs 1,300 for 2 products. And then, may libre sila na isa na lipstick. So, it becomes 3 products. So, guys, kasi medyo mahirap maghanap ng MAC na products na 1,300 lang yung halaga, tapos 3 items yung mabibili mo. Kasi medyo mahal. Although, mini sizes to guys. Came with this box, and then binuksan ko na siya kasi sobrang excited ko dito. Ano siya? Naka-bubble wrap. May kahon, unang kahon, pangalawang kahon. Ganito siya. Yan. And then dito sa gilid nilagay na, ay sorry, yan. Ayan siya guys. And then dito, hashtag MACCX Lazada. Okay guys, so this is 1,300 isang set. Tignan natin yung laman. Okay, so more bubble wraps. And then another box. Okay guys. So, yan, box. Another box. Yung mga barcode. Kasi ito, hinihila siya pa ganun. Okay. So, ito talaga yung laman yung pinaka binili kong product, guys. Isang lipstick. Ito. Isang lipstick and isang prep and prime. Pero, the lipstick is just really small. It's a mini lipstick and then also mini prep and prime. Na, let's see. This is 30 ml. This is what it looks like. So, pwede na guys, diba, 1-3, you've got a lipstick, a bullet lipstick, which looks like this. Ito siya, ganyang kalaki, yung product naman ng, bullet mini lipstick. Okay, and let's see what's the shade. Shade is Matte Whirl. And then let's also swatch it. Meron pa ba? Dito na lang. Dito na lang guys ha. Oh my gosh. I think I like this color too guys. Ito siya. Ito. This one. Okay. I think I'm gonna like this color. I'm so happy with this purchase kasi nga hindi naman ako makakabili ng MAC na dalawang product tapos 1,300. Okay, and this one, may libreng isa pang lipstick. Ito siya guys. This one is not a mini lipstick. Ito, it looks like a regular lipstick. It contains 3.6 grams of product and it's lip density lipstick by MAC. Okay, so let's open it. The shade is burnt violet. So again, this is another dark shade na lipstick. And may nakalagay dito sa gilid, not for sale. So talagang pa-freebie lang siya guys. I like this box too. It's shiny, shimmering, splendid. Okay. So this is what the bullet lipstick, yung free, looks like. Ayan. And then when you open it, looks like this. And then, tingnan natin kung gaano kadami. Ayan, ganyan siya kadami. And then it almost looks like dark talaga. Okay, so let's see. Tingnan natin dito. Ooh! Violet din. Parang kamukha nito. Ito siya. This one. Parang pang Halloween. Ayan siya. Brown nga pala guys yung takip. Tapos black. Amoy chocolate. Bango. Yung MAC galing Lazada, yung FOCALLURE galing Shopee. And then this one is from Shopee too. So, I bought two kasi nga naka-sale naman yata to. Parang from 180, nabili ko lang ng 85 yata to. But I'll put the price down below. This is Elujai Propolis Mere Ampoule. Ayan. So, I'll just do another review of this, another video to review this product. I'll try to use it first and let's see kung ano yung magiging effect niya sa akin. Kasi may mga nakita akong review na nagsabi na nag-breakout daw sila, nagka-pimple sila nung ginamit nila to. So, I'm gonna try this myself first, but it's Propolis Mere Ampoule, and it's a Korean product. It's made in Korea, and it's, sabi nung seller, may Samsung siya, which is the new packaging, and the reason why may Samsung is that because ito yung parang sila yung nagre-review nung authenticity ata ng product. So, ganito siya. May dropper siya na ang thick nung ano, oil. Glass. Ayan natin, i-patak natin siya. Ayan. Ganito siya, guys. Ayan. Hindi siya punong-puno hanggang dito lang yung product. But it's fine. Hindi siya tubig na tubig. Tingnan natin. Oh, oil siya. Ang bango. Bango, guys. Ang bango. Ayan, hindi siya oily. Pagka-tapos mo siya i-rub sa skin mo, parang siyang nagmamattify. Na parang ina-absorb ng skin mo yung product. So, I'm excited to review this, guys, and see the result on my skin. I'm planning to use this as part of my night skincare routine. Ang hang in there, isa na lang. I'm sure if you're like me na addict sa mga pagtingin-tingin ng mga shinap ng ibang tao, I'm sure you would still be there watching. Wow! Okay. So, ito pala yung Olay. So, yung price nito is $999. However, I got a voucher for worth $200 from Lazada for the sale, yung 11/11 sale. And so, na-less ko pa yung $999. And then, may free siya na pouch. So, it's a good thing kasi nga naubos na rin yung mga moisturizers ko. So sakto lang din. So, eto siya. Dalawang product, may deep ring pouch. Ang laki ng pouch. Guys, ang laki niya. So, this is a day cream. So, 7-in-1 day cream with SPF 15, 50 grams. And then, the other one is 7-in-1 daily serum. Okay, so pang skincare. Day skincare, guys. Okay. Wow! Pwede ko na ito gamitin. Makeup bag. Okay. Nice naman na bag. It's gold. Oh. Okay, so in-open ko na. And, ito yung dalawang products. Yung isa, ang weird. Okay, so ito yung loob ng bag. Okay, so yung isa, naka-plastic pa. Yung isa, hindi. Day cream. But this is only 50 grams. Maliit lang. So, pwede na. Wow. So, ito siya, guys. Yan. Yan. And then, the other one, ito yung nakabalot pa ng plastic. Naka-seal pa ng plastic. Okay. So, ito naman yung isa, which is the Daily Serum.
It says it is lightweight, dextrose for radiant skin. 7 benefits in 1. Alam mo na yun. Laging giniklaim ni Olay. Okay, fine lines and wrinkle. Reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkle. An even tone. Balances an even tone. Age spots. Reduces the appearance of age spot. An even texture. Smooths and even out skin texture. Dryness. Provides nourishing moisturization. Dullness gives the skin a healthy radiance. And pores. Minimizes the appearance of pores. So yung pinakagusto ko. Ang dami ko kasing pores.
This one looks like this. Okay, this is also 50 ml. Yan siya, guys. Ayan. Diyan po nagtatapos ang ating Shopee 11/11 and Lazada 11/11 sale haul and unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. And I hope you also look forward to the other videos that I'm gonna create about the reviews dun sa Propolis, and then also yung siguro new skincare routine. Okay, guys, thank you again for watching. Bye! Thank you so much, guys, for watching the entire video. I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click down below. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload new videos every week. And also, if you want to watch more of my videos, click here. Thank you, guys!